Hello friends, welcome to my channels. The CMA Institute released the mock test instruction which is conducted on 13th August 2020 on Sunday. So let's see. 13th August 2020 Sunday, the time is for the mock test is 10 to 11, 1 hour, 10 to 25 first session, 2 papers, then 10:25 to 10:35 10 minutes break, and 10:35 to 11 next 2 papers. Only eligible candidates, okay, for September 2020 foundation course, that is the students which are sitting will be set on the September 2020 exam, that is 6 September, they are allowed to appear this mock test. Detailed guidelines for foundation course examination will be released soon. Please regularly you check your register email ID, okay, with an SMS for more updates from the SAMAI. Details will be shared with all students on the register email ID. Updates and links of the examination, unique email IDs and mobile number is also required for appearing the examination. It is highly recommended to appear the mock test on 13th August 2020 at 10 a.m. through the schedules link provided by examination department. These mock tests will allow you to get familiar so that you can get familiar with the online exam systems and guidelines. It is also recommended to use the same system for the actual test on the 6th September 2020 so that you can save your time for checking as well as you avoid any inconvenience on the actual day of examination. Before the examination, you have to keep ready your government identity proof, that is normally voter ID card, your driving license, your Aadhaar, your PAN, etc. and student ID card with you before starting the mock test. This needs to be uploaded. Okay, first you have to upload on the online examination page for you starting this pledge. Then you keep your login details, that is your registration ID, name, passkey, etc. that will be share your email in the hard copy and write on the paper before starting on the examination. Once you open this examination page, you are not able to access any of your mobiles files on your mobile, laptop, computer, etc. Please sit in a quiet room, so try to avoid bright lights behind you. Please update your Google Chrome, this Google Chrome browser, and give the permission to your webcam, microphone from setting before you download the application on your computer, laptop and mobile. So okay, you have to give them permission. Then examination will be start at sharp 10 a.m. and please ensure that your login is at 10 a.m. Okay. If you please make sure that you have inner power bank. If you are using mobile or laptop, does not shut down or switch off also in the case of electricity failure. So also please use it fast and reliable internet connection on that day so that you can never face any internet issues. Okay, I will check you how to test the webcam and microphone test in this video also. Here they share the both links to test your webcam. Okay, I will show you. Click on this. You have to just click on this webcam test. Okay. Here you have to detect. Just click on this test my cam. Okay, so that you can allow your webcam and check here. Okay, I will show you mic test also, online mic test to test your microphone. How I test my microphone. See, you have to click on this play button. See here, if this line is responding you to that sounds, then means my mic is working. Otherwise, it will be not respond to the sounds. They form the wavelines. If this waveline is formed, then it is recognized that the mic is working. Okay. So the microphone is not working. Okay, you all should test this. Okay, before your examination. Basic infrastructure requirements like a laptop. If there is laptop, then you have to continuous internet connection 1 to 4 Mbps speed. laptop and desktop with the webcam and microphone functioning. And recommended browser is Google Chrome latest version. If you're using the mobile phone for your examination, then your Android version should be 5 or above, and mobile phones with the functional front camera. During the examination, the test is webcam and microphone enabled. If the webcam and microphone is not detected at the time of examination, the problem is that the question paper will not load. So kindly allow this webcam permission access before the test. Do not press backspace, okay, backface, refresh, okay, close the window during the examination. Do not submit even examination unless you have attempted all the questions. So make sure that you attempt all the questions. The test once submitted will not be received, because, and you need to attempt all the questions of this test in a one go. Okay, all the questions are mandatory here because there is no negative marking. So please attempt all questions. And in the case of power failure, do not panic. Power failure हो जाता है, you have to restart your test with that same login information, with that same browser. The test will start at the same, from that same question which you had earlier left. So attempted question will be remain attempted. Submit failure, okay. If you are any facing of the problem of submission because not proper having internet connection, do not panic. The uncommitted answers will be visible on your screen in the front of you. So what you have to do is just press the control as save this page as a PDF in your answer sheet displayed in the front of you. So your page will be saved, okay, and note and send it to this email ID, ICMAI support@cocubes.com. And in the case of any query during this mock examination, please mail this, okay, at this email ID, ICMAI support@cocubes.com, or contact the ICMAI. So all the best, student. Okay, please attempt this mock test on the 13th August 2020 so that you get familiar with the actual exam environment. And in additional, the institute also launched your step-by-step guide for mock test. This is a step-by-step guide for mock test. Please find below details for a mock test. The Institute of Cost Account of India Foundation course, 13th August 2020. You can appear for the examination through any of the preferable devices. Again, they mention about computer, laptop, okay, recommended. Please go through the this is a manual for your instructions. I'll click on this. You have to read these candidate guides, mock test instruction, installation and safe assessment browser system requirements. So you just go through it. I think all points are covered already. Step by step, step to start the examination. You have to go to this link to check it, okay, that your system is compatible for that test. Similarly, I think Windows operating के लिए this is the link to run SAB. All the instructions, all the steps are given here which are necessary. Mobile phones, I think mobile phones के लिए I think there is an app. You have to download this app and then you have to go. ID, names and passkey. These are the 3 details which you have to note down. Okay, paper पे लिखना है इसको. Registration ID, name and passkey, 3 should be written on paper. Okay, before the test, please note down. And in the case of any queries, again you have to mail on this official email ID of ICMAI. Okay, that said, all the best to all the CMA Foundation students. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you really like this, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel so that you can never miss any another update from the ICMAI Institute, from the CMA Institute. I'm planning currently to launch a new series for the CMA intern student. So Please stay tuned with my channels. Okay, bye.